In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in Hantec Markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside the trading platform, you can just click on search symbol on the right hand side first, and of course, find whatever you want to trade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to select, let's do gold over here, and I'm gonna do the basic gold versus US dollar, XAU USD here. Of course, you can do whatever you want. This is just an example. And then here, you can just click on the new order up top, and then it's going to pop up this side panel here where you can select which type of order you want. So you could do either a market order, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, or sell stop limit. So I'm going to do a market order right now, but if you do any of these limit orders, you can go ahead and of course select your price at which you want to place the limit order at. Now here I'm just going to do volume of 0.01. You can also set your stop loss if you want to, and the take profit as well. That's completely up to you. And then you can also add a comment to your order, and after you're done you can just click on buy or sell down here at the bottom, and as you can see here, this has been completed. I can press OK now, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's how you can go ahead and trade in Hantec Markets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.